Hey guys, so today I just want to say something about XX Miss Steal Your Man XX12. So, I had this month VIP code. I put it in my art book. She was like, "You have a month VIP code?" And then I was like, "Yeah." And then she said, "Can I have it?" And I said, "For what?" I'm mostly taking Miss Goldie or, drip items. And she was like, "Okay, I'll give you my backup account." And I was like, okay, because it was level like 16. And then I gave her the code, and it like, and then she put it on her backup, and then she never gave anything to me, so she scammed me. And in my art book, not art book, my guest book, she said, "Scammer, scammer, scammer." So, I don't even know why. She said, "I trusted you." But she was the one who, like, did that. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. And if you like this video, leave a sub and like. Anyway, see you next time.